Empire Universe.
Adidja Palmer, guilty. Sean Campbell, guilty. Kyra Jones, guilty. And Andre St. John, guilty.
His name is Vybz Kartel. Locked up in there. Somebody pull up. How much minutes we got? I have a little story which I must tell mankind. Hope you listen clearly as I speak my mind. It's about a man who had it made as the boss of the land, and then he turned and went astray, and I can't understand. He's a little youth that I have known who sings and writes so well. To tell the truth, since he has grown his face, I cannot tell. To bleach out across the land, his voice is ringing like a bell. And if you're not strong, then he might send your soul to hell. His name is Vybz Kartel, locked up in jail, and his friends as well. 35 to life, for a lizard's life, much more than tongue can
A glimpse of Kartel on his way to court today. He has been in and out of court since the police nabbed him for one murder, locked him away and charged him with a second. And on each visit, the word from his attorneys has been consistent: bail denied. It's why Kartel's attorneys, as well as lawyers for 3 other men charged for the murder of Clive Williams, O.C. Lizard, complained to the court today that despite what they said appeared to be a lack of evidence linking their clients to the murder, they weren't being granted bail, as they press a shocking answer from investigators. The investigators declared they have video evidence showing Kartel and other men killing a man at a house in St. Andrew. It's alleged that the killing of the young man was captured on a cellular phone, which was later seized by the police. Investigators also said they're putting together telephone evidence as well as witness statements linking the men to the crime. Apart from Kartel, the others charged are Sean Campbell, otherwise called Storm, fashion designer Calvin Hay, otherwise called Mooney, and Kyra Jones. The men are charged for the August 16 murder of Mr. Williams, otherwise called Lizard. Government prosecutors reported that Mr. Williams was taken to a house in Havendale where he was beaten and stabbed to death over a missing gun. The body has not been found. The accused have several weeks in jail ahead of them.
Give them some pampas. Them want to start it, but me know them a baby. Tell them I only live time, me nah go bumbo can't open. Anybody this them, dead. This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. Boy never mind him, bumbo clock business. Never rev out your life like 7 series. Dance and we shot you, fi tell him where the weed is. Me no care gun fi intimidate. Me say no. Me no care gun fi frighten man. Me no care gun fi show girl.
See me out.
Enough time fi no jail time, that a waste time.
You stop touching me now.
Thursday, March 13, 2014, the police instituted pedestrian and vehicular restrictions in downtown Kingston as hundreds of Vybz Kartel's fans gathered for a verdict. After 65 days of trial, delayed starts, 24 prosecution witnesses and 6 for the defense, Justice Lennox Campbell turned over the matter to the 11-member jury at 3:45 p.m. Outside the courtroom, there was tension, and in Kartel's hometown too, in the Waterford community of Portmore they call Gaza City.
Yeah, so
I said, if God in your sight, tell them boy they are loose. Attack me, see them attack. We use gunshot, bust them fucking
Them shall let go man, free Worl Boss, man. John knows some feel have a cry.
After 1 hour and 53 minutes, the jurors returned with a 10-1 verdict. With the verdict coming under 2 hours and divided at the same time, the judge sent them back to reconsider. Minutes later, they would re-emerge, again with a 10-1 verdict. Adidja Palmer, guilty. Sean Campbell, guilty. Kyra Jones, guilty. And Andre St. John, guilty. The fifth accused, Shane Williams, was found not guilty.
Tell them they're up on the Gaza.